Great price action from Ethereum yesterday. We actually saw over 15% in terms of price action. We're seeing Ethereum up against Bitcoin, double the amount. Ethereum's up almost 17%. Bitcoin's up 8%. And yesterday was Ethereum's biggest inflow day in a long time. Might have been the biggest Ethereum inflows into the ETFs. That's the big money, institutional money we have seen. So when can we expect an all-time high price from Ethereum? We know that on the lower time frame 4-hour chart, we were watching this channel. We were seeing the support, we were seeing the resistance. The resistance has actually been broken. However, if we go into the daily chart, we do need to pay attention to this new wedge, and it's still a part of a bull flag. You've got the pole, you've got a flag, a very big pattern. There is resistance at that 3K level. So when can we break that level, and when can we get to much higher prices, which is the all-time high, $4,900? So let me show you what I'm looking at in the chart right now. Now that we know ETF inflows are getting there, we know price action is doing well. What I can tell you is this, and I think this is one of the most bullish things. We are comfortably above the bull market support and resistance bands, which are beneath us now between 2200 and 2400. You also have the 200-day moving average now we are trading above. And if you look at the weekly chart, we have a closed confirmed candle. That is really important. We haven't seen that happen since November of 2024, where the Ethereum price went from something crazy low like $1,500 up to $4,000. I believe we're seeing a similar move in the chart right now. And also you should know that the global liquidity index is just pumping this yellow line, and the Ethereum price follows this liquidity very closely. So what you should pay attention to where it comes to breaking this 3K level is the following. You go into the weekly chart here, and you basically want to see what's going on in the bigger breakout. What's the bigger breakout? Well, it is this. We saw the price decline from December to the spring, okay, to April. We're now in a bigger breakout move, which you can see, and we have some levels to contend with. And these are the levels that I'm trading, and it tells us when the all-time high price will likely occur. The reason why we will see some choppiness now, I believe, is 3,000 is a psychological level. It's also the Fibonacci golden pocket. But once you've broken that, these are the bull targets, okay? You have all-time high price at 4,850, and you can see it on the chart by zooming out a little bit. You can see that line. That was the all-time high price back in 2021. And then for a target one out of that take profit one is $5,800. This is all a big cup and handle pattern, and ultimately 7-8 times out of 10 you're going to measure the depth of the cup here, which is a 3x. It's actually a 3.5x, but let's be conservative. You're looking at around $7,500. So I will keep my Ethereum trade open. This isn't just any trade. I'm using coin margin. So I haven't sold my Ethereum into USDT to trade. I'm actually using Ethereum, which is smart, I believe, especially in bull markets, because as your trade continues to go up, your profits are in ETH, which is going up. That's why you're able to make great gains like that. Anyone wants to trade on Blofin, Femex, I've also got altcoin positions opened as well. I'll leave the links in the description, guys. I also have my trade signals group in addition to these great sign-up bonuses for new users. You can join my trade signals group there as well. So you can trade anywhere in the world, deposit if you need tips on depositing. You can do it from Kraken, from Binance, from Bybit, Coinbase, easily by sending USDT, Ethereum, and then you can start trading futures. Then I suggest to follow my trade signals in the free Telegram group. Anyway, guys, great time to be here. Have a fantastic weekend. Let me know in the comments if you are bullish. And this is a great time to educate yourself on trading. I do suggest to watch my 3-part free Beginners Bootcamp series. And if you're looking for some higher risk with meme coins, I made a video yesterday on why I believe these Ethereum meme coins are going to do extremely well in late 2025 from now. Anyway, guys, see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.